Molim.
Hello.
Yes.
Good afternoon. Do you speak English?
Yes.
I'm calling from England, and I have some suggestion for your football confederation. I'm selling football grass for stadiums, you know.
Yes, I know.
With whom can I talk, please?
You have to talk with our general secretary, but he doesn't speak English. But you can send your offer in our association by email or by fax.
Okay, can you give me your mail, please?
Yes, our email NSBiH.
Can you repeat it, please?
NS.
Okay.
B.
Okay.
H.
Okay.
Monkey.
A monkey.
At.
Okay.
At. N. No. B. I. H.
Okay.
Punto.
What?
Punto. You know. Just moment. Punto. Punto.
You mean that?
That.
Okay, great.
That. Net. N.
What?
E,
Can you repeat it?
N-E-T.
N-E-A-T.
N-E-T.
N-E-T. At.
B.
Excuse me, that's the second at. It's impossible.
Point.
What?
Point.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Point.
Okay, point, yes.
You mean that
Point.
again?
Point.
A point?
You know what is point?
Well, we have cigarettes point.
Dot.
Oh, great,
Dot.
great. Okay, great.
Dot and B.
Okay.
A.
Okay. So it's NSBiH at bih.net.ba.
Yes.
Great.
Yes,
Thank you very much. And
correct.
phone number, please.
Phone number for our fax or General Secretary office.
Well, you tell me that the General Secretary...
387.
Okay.
33.
3? Okay, 3, okay.
276.
Okay.
661.
Okay, great.
And our fax phone number 387, it is for country.
Okay.
33 for Sarajevo.
Great.
And 444.